This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You begin by stabilizing the watch. Place it dial up on a soft mat and remove the case back and crown assembly to free the movement. Once done, remove any movement ring or retaining screws so the movement sits level. You then expose the hands. Use a loop and a hand lifter tool or pegwood to gently lift the hands straight up about 0. 5 to 1 mm to break tension. This prevents bending and prepares the hands for full removal. Now remove the hands in sequence. Hour first, then minute, then seconds, because each is seated on different collets and answer different pinions. You place a plastic hand puller with jaws square to the hands and apply even upward pressure. This preserves the collet and prevents twisting. Make sure to support the dial edge with a finger or a non-metallic fork so the dial does not flex. If the seconds hand is press-fit, use a specialized pincer to minimize force. To finish, inspect and clean the hand feet. Place removed hands on labeled foam so you keep orientation and order. When refitting, use a 3-jaw hand press and align concentrically to the pinion, pressing evenly until seated. This prevents wobble. If a hand is stuck or corrosion holds it, warm the area slightly or apply a drop of isopropyl and wait. If resistance remains, do not force, back off and reassess to avoid bending or breaking the pinion.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.